UMW, short for Unique Machinery Work, focuses on the laser industry for years and aims to be a leader in the field. We were established in 2014. Integrates R&D, production, sales and service. Since its establishment, we have been committed to the research, development and application of laser technology, providing high-precision laser cutting, welding and cleaning solutions. So far, we offer a wide range of welding and cleaning machines, including the 4-in-1 multifunctional welder, air-cooled welders, water-cooled welders, pulse cleaning machines, and water-cooled continuous cleaning machines, all designed to meet our customers' diverse needs. We also offer a variety of highly automated solutions, combining robots with laser machines. For example, we provide industrial robot welders and collaborative welders, ensuring high precision and reducing labor costs, making them ideal for modern manufacturing environments. We have gradually developed into a well-known brand in the industry. To meet customer needs and adapt to market trends, we also offer a variety of CNC Router, including 3-axis, 4-axis, and 5-axis CNC Router, the top-selling ATC engraving machine, and the auto-feeding CNC machine for furniture production lines. We utilize advanced production lines to ensure high-quality, efficient manufacturing, providing reliable solutions for various industries. Finally, we offer a variety of CO2 cutting and engraving machines, including the Mini 5030, the popular 1390 model, and the best open-type 1325. UMW never stops progressing, and we will continue striving to deliver even better products and services.